And listen to me very carefully, these are my last words. You know Najmuddin Erbakan, ex-Prime Minister of Turkey. He said one time, you know Abraha when he came to demolish Kaaba, and what happened? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sends Ababial to destroy his caravan. Najmuddin Erbakan says that now Ababial will come, but not for non-Muslims. Ababial will come for Muslims. Ababial will come to damage Muslims, because for us, wallahi, faith has become a joke. And whatever is happening in the world, injustice, most of us are quiet, especially our governments. They are quiet and they are just trying to take advantage from the suffering of Muslims, my brothers and my sisters. Wallahi, we should do istighfar to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Istighfar to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that He forgives us for our shortcomings. We are weak people, but wallahi, we should do our best, my brothers and my sisters, to help these brothers and sisters. Wallahi, people have not seen such injustice what we are witnessing today and tomorrow. When the historian will write the history, they will say, how is this possible that such sufferings were happening in Gaza, in West Bank, in Palestine, and rest of the world was sleeping and was quiet.